Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me.
Chill out.
That's what you want, though.
Stop. Don't touch me. Here. Hey.
Get your hands behind your back. Get your hands behind your back.
This is what happens when you overstay your welcome and mix alcohol with bad decisions. Late Friday night, Joliet police responded to a call about an unwanted person who had been told it was time to leave after staying a whole week at a woman's house. According to officers, the suspect was intoxicated and refused to leave the property, turning what should have been a simple removal into a physical confrontation. As officers attempted to take him into custody, the situation quickly escalated, leading to a struggle and multiple criminal charges.
Okay, so you welcomed him here for a week, and now you're ready for him to leave.
Why is he down here for a week?
You tweaking. I tried to see you ask to go to Chicago twice. You ain't want to go in the Uber.
That's what you want?
Yeah. I don't want to deal with that shit tonight.
That's what you want?
All right, let's step back because that's not necessary. Here, step back.
No, just get out of her face.
I don't want to deal with that shit tonight.
Okay.
What is tape?
I'm
What
finna
is?
put my throat. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me.
Chill out. Chill out.
Off.
So that's what you want, though.
Stop. Yeah, just calm down.
You want to go to jail? You want to go for the night?
Man, I'm fine.
Don't touch me.
Here. Hey.
Get your hands behind your back.
Get your hands behind your back.
Here, hands behind your
Get
back.
your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Man, get the f*** off me. I ain't do
Get your
shit.
hands. I ain't
Here.
do nothing. Hold on.
I ain't doing shit. I ain't doing nothing.
Now you're going to jail.
I don't give a f***. Get off of me.
Cuff him. I got his hand.
Get off me. What the f*** I'm going to jail for?
Ag assault.
On who?
Me. You don't walk up on her and you don't walk up on me. And I tell you to get the back, that's exactly what it means. Why has he been staying here for a week?
Man, look. Let me go.
Did
man.
he move in or what?
What I do wrong? I ain't do nothing. Okay. I'm going to jail for nothing.
Why is he here for a week? Is he living here or what's the deal?
I want them. Yeah.
So if he's living here, you can't call us and have us just take
I've
him
been
away.
living here,
That's not
man.
how that works.
I've been living here for 8 months. Let me go, man. Come on, man.
Hold on.
You wanna
you
play?
got weapons on you?
I ain't got nothing. Okay, you want to play too?
What's your relationship with
Listen, I'm
him?
gonna get.
Dude, stop. You want more charges? Stop.
I got charges on me. That ain't dead shit. Okay.
What's your relationship? Roll him over. Check this side. Dude, stop. You're gonna make it worse.
Here.
You will get up. Stop. You get up when we get you up. Stop.
I ain't did shit. Okay. That's what y'all want to do? That's what you want to do?
All you have to
the fuck
do
out
is
my
do
car.
what we tell you what to do.
I ain't did nothing, man. Y'all got me. Man, y'all ain't got to do none of that, man.
You got anything else on you?
I don't have shit on me. That hurt my arm, man. That shit hurt. Man,
The sooner you calm down, the sooner we
It hurt.
get up, get you in the car and you feel more comfortable, okay?
that's what you want?
Remember I told you all you gotta do is just
Nigga, I'm
listen to what
finna
we're
kill
telling you to do?
Nigga.
Stop.
Nigga,
You ready?
this shit hurt. That's what you want to do? Let me go.
Stop.
Y'all hurt me, man. Y'all hurt me.
Dude,
Let
you
me
need to
go.
calm
Y'all hurt
down.
me. It hurt. This shit hurt.
The sooner we get to the station, the sooner you get more comfortable. So relax.
Man, this shit hurt. Y'all hurt me, man. Alright. Y'all hurt me, man. This shit hurt.
You're going to.
Y'all hurt me, man. Oh, okay.
We're gonna need you over here.
It hurt, man. It
Dude.
hurt, man. Y'all hurt me, man.
We're gonna get you over to the
It
car.
hurt. Come on, it hurt.
You keep pulling away from us and stuff. We get you in the
It
car.
hurt. I ain't this. Come on, it hurt, man.
Dude, just walk. We're walking to the car.
Stop.
Lock your ass up.
Hey, you want to catch more charges?
Y'all got me. Look what y'all.
What did I
It
tell you?
hurt. I'm hurt.
Hold on, I gotta turn the back camera on.
I'm hurt,
Do it
man.
again.
I'm hurt,
Stop.
man. I'm hurt, man. Come on, man. I'm hurt. Face me. I'm just saying, I'm hurt.
Please turn the back camera on.
It hurt.
Alright,
He
what
hurt
hurt?
me. Ma, he hurt me.
What hurt?
Ma, he hurt me.
He's
Open the
asking you
door.
what hurt.
Ma, I think he hurt me.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Turn around.
Come on, man, I'm hurt.
What hurts?
You hurt me, nigga.
What hurts?
I'm gonna beat your ass on my
What hurts?
You hurt me. Let me go.
Turn around.
You let me go.
No, you're in custody.
Let me
We're not letting
go.
you go.
Let me go.
I'm gonna turn around and seat you in the car.
Let me go. I can get in the car.
Okay, get
You
in.
hurt. He hurt. It hurt so bad.
Turn
Nigga,
around.
you hurt me. You know what the you doing?
Sit down. Hold on.
Hey.
You a hoe.
Sit down.
Let me go.
Stupid.
Let me go. You
Hold
hurt.
on this one.
You hurt me.
Get your legs in the car.
Let me go. You hurt me. Come on,
Get
he
your
hurt me.
legs in the car.
Come on, you black. He hurt me. He hurt me. Come on, he hurt me. Come on, he hurt me. I ain't doing nothing. Let me go.
Walk with me. You still got his wallet?
Boy, I'll kill you.
You gonna kill me, huh?
I'll kill you, bitch.
Yeah?
Nigga,
In the end, what started as a simple request to leave the property turned into an arrest after the suspect allegedly refused to comply with officers and became physically combative. According to police, he was charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer, aggravated assault, and resisting a peace officer. As with all cases, the charges are allegations, and the suspect is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. What do you think? Could this situation have been avoided, or did the suspect bring the arrest on himself? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this body cam breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload.